Stop pressure washing the wrong way. Most people are making costly mistakes without even realizing it. But today I am revealing the pro-level hacks that will make your cleaning faster, easier, and way more effective. Miss these and you're just blasting water for nothing. First things first, your cleaning solution. This is where most people go wrong, using just water, and that's a big mistake. Some people use dish soap, and sometimes it works, but it's not enough for deep cleaning. So let's talk about what the pros use. The pros use a mix of sodium hypochlorite, aka bleach, and a surfactant to break down grime. This stuff melts mold, dirt, and grease before spraying. But here's the key, pre-treatment. If you're not pre-treating, you're making pressure washing 10 times harder for yourself. So spray your surface with cleaning solution and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. This gives the chemical time to break down the grime, so you're not just blasting dirt around. Now this brings us to another huge mistake, your nozzle choice. Not all nozzles are created equal. The wrong one can damage your surface. So let's break it down. Let's start with the red nozzle, 0 degrees. Now why do they call it 0 degrees? Because the water comes out in a straight pinpoint stream with zero spread. And it's like a laser beam of destruction. Unless you want to carve your initials into your driveway, stay away from this one. It's so powerful it can cut through wood, chip concrete, and even cause injuries. This nozzle is only for extreme stain removal on metal or stone, if you're brave enough to use it. Next up, the yellow nozzle, 15 degrees. The 15 degrees refers to a spray angle, meaning the water fans out just a little as it exits the nozzle. This makes it great for heavy-duty cleaning while still delivering a powerful punch. If you've got thick grime, caked-on mud, or oil stains on the driveway, sidewalks, or garage floors, this is your go-to. Just be careful. Too much pressure on the softer materials can cause damage. Now this one, the green nozzle, 25 degrees, is the most versatile. The water sprays out at a wider range, which means less pressure but more coverage. It's perfect for general cleaning, like patios, sidewalks, decks, and outdoor furniture. It gives you enough power to clean effectively without gouging the surface. So if you're new to pressure washing, this is your safest starting point. Now for delicate surfaces, you want the white nozzle, 40 degrees. With a wide 40-degree spray angle, this spreads out the pressure even more, making it gentle enough for siding, painted surfaces, and wooded decks. If you're worried about stripping or paint or damaging soft materials, this is the nozzle to use. And finally, the black nozzle. This is the one that's strictly for applying detergent. It has all the widest spray angle, reducing water pressure to allow for steady detergent application. This is what you use when you're pre-treating an area before rinsing it with a high-pressure nozzle. So let's recap. Red nozzle, 0 degree, no spread, maximum power, only for extreme stains or engraven concrete. Yellow nozzle, 15 degree, narrow but powerful, best for driveways, concrete, and tough grime. Green nozzles, 25 degree, balanced power and coverage, great for general cleaning. White nozzle, 40 degree, wide spray, safe for siding, wood, and delicate surfaces. And then finally, you have your black nozzle for applying detergent, never used for rinsing. Now let's talk about water temperature. Most people think cold water is fine for everything. But if you're dealing with grease, oil stains, or deep grime, hot water is a game changer. It cuts through tough stains like knife through butter. If you're washing a driveway, a hot water pressure washer will make a huge difference. Another common mistake is washing the wrong order. So here's a pop quiz. If you're cleaning a house, do you start at the top or the bottom? Now, if you said the top, you're wrong. Pros start by pre-treating from the bottom and work their way up, then rinse top to bottom. Why? Because if you start at the top, the dirt runs down and dries in streaks. But when you start at the bottom, you evenly soak the surface. So when you rinse from the top down, you get a spotless finish. Now let's bust another myth. Do you need soap for every job? No. Water pressure alone might be enough if you're rinsing off dust or light dirt. But soap makes all the difference for mold, mildew, and deep stains. That's why the pros never skip that right detergent. And here's the final pro secret, a surface cleaner. What a game changer. You're wasting time if you've been cleaning large areas like driveways or patios with just a wand. A surface cleaner spins water evenly, cleaning 10 times faster with 0 streaks. So there you have it. Professional pressure washing secrets that will make your life easier. Have you been pressure washing the wrong way? Let me know in the comments. Now hit that subscribe button for more expert cleaning tricks. Keep it clean out there and have a blessed day.